a wonderful day to go walking, find a nice shady spot with God. I'll do some talking. Here we go. Take my hand if you please, let the Lord set you free. Amen. One more time. Take my hand if you please, let the Lord set you free. Amen. It's a wonderful day to be living, 'cause with each passing breath I know I've been forgiven. Here we go. Take my hand, please let the Lord set you free. Amen. Take my hand, if you please let the Lord set you free. Amen. Play that flute a little, come on. It's a wonderful day to be in love. Give thanks to our God, the creator of all above. Here we go, come on. Take my hand if you please, let the Lord set you free. Amen. Take my hand if you please, let the Lord set you free. Amen. Take my hand if you please, let the Lord set you free. Amen. Thank you. It's a song I wrote about 20 years ago, I think.
Great job.
I'm a little blue shuffle.
All right.
Let's go on eyesight for the blind. Well, you say you got a good girl. Well, you should see mine. Yeah, you say you got a good girl. Well, you should see mine. When she walks by, she gives eyesight to the blind. Well, she must have come from a good family. I can tell by the way she talks. Well, she must have come from a good family. I can tell by the way she talks. When she walks by, the lame get up and walk. Let's see that horn.
Give it up for
Blues
Jim.
tune there.
Yeah. Almost as good as Crockpot, baby.
Any requests out there?
Crockpot, baby. You knew it. Hey, you knew that was coming.
You guys remember that, right?
Huh? No, Crockpot, baby. Yeah, yeah. I know.
We'll leave you with this one. We're going to be,
Hold on. Yeah, 1 second. Now, ladies and germs, this is a audience participation song. So when I come around, you'll sing the melody line. You'll catch on. All right, Jim, we're going to work the crowd here, okay? All right, Chicky, can you take pictures or video of this? Follow me.
all right.
Have at it.
All righty.
Have at it. I like it.
Have at it. She cooks my dinner in a big crock pot. When I get home and it's nice and hot, she's my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. She's my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. She's my crock pot baby. I'm a crack pot boy.
Keep the glass lid unbreakable.
She likes to season it with pepper and salt. When things go wrong, well, it's all my fault. She's my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. My crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. She's my crock pot baby. I'm her crack pot boy. Let's hear that saxophone. Come on. Whoops. Well, after supper and the dishes are done, we sit on the couch, we have some fun, 'cause she's my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. Oh, my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. My crock pot baby. I'm her crack pot boy. One more time, let's hear it, buddy. Crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. Oh, my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. Oh, my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. Oh, my crock pot baby. Crock pot baby. She's my crock pot baby. I'm her crock.
I was gonna have one more Crockpot, baby. Thank you, Chicky. Hey, give it up for Jim Riggs and the Crockpot, baby. Be sure to check out Spotify